Prynhawn dda. The Welsh Government, in consultation with the WLGA and Colegau Cymru, has just agreed that all schools and colleges will move to online learning until January 18th. As a government, we will use the next 2 weeks to continue to work with local authorities, schools and colleges to best plan for the rest of the term. This is the best way to ensure that parents, staff and learners can be confident in the return to face-to-face learning based on the latest evidence and information. Schools and colleges will remain open for the children of critical workers and vulnerable learners, as well as for those learners who need to complete essential exams or assessments. We had already ensured that schools had full flexibility in the first 2 weeks of term to decide when to reopen based on local circumstances. But it is now clear that a national approach of online learning for the next fortnight is the best way to contribute to reducing the transmission of coronavirus. We know that schools and colleges have been safe and secure environments throughout the pandemic, and that continues to be the case. However, we also know that education settings being open can contribute to wider social mixing outside the school and college environment. We're confident that schools and colleges have online learning provision in place for this immediate period, and this will also be important in ensuring that students are at home during this time, learning and staying safe. I know that this announcement will raise questions for many of you, and I will try and address some of those issues in the thread below. Please share this message to help ensure that others are aware of the situation, and again, thank you for everything that you're doing to help keep Wales safe.